opening the package. Slip the vest over your head. Bring the strap around your waist and secure the buckle. Pull the strap to tighten. As you leave the place, inflate the vest by pulling on the red tab at the bottom of the vest. To manually inflate it, blow into the tube to increase air, and push pin inward to release air. Lights will activate automatically in the water. Special life vests are available for children under the age of 4. In case of decompression, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above your seat. Pull the mask down sharply to activate the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth. Pull the elastic strap over your head and tighten by pulling the end of the strap. Remain calm and breathe normally. Remove it. If you're traveling with a child, attend to yourself first and then to the child. Please note of the emergency exits of this aircraft. There are 6 emergency exits. These are the 2 doors at the front and at the rear, and 2 at each side of the overwing exits. During evacuation, do not carry your hand luggage with you. If smoke is present, keep low and follow the floor proximity lights to the nearest exit. The safety information cards are in the seat pockets in front of you. Please read them carefully before takeoff. Thank you for your attention. Good job.
Hi ma'am, good afternoon. Would you like to stop ma'am?
Diyan, dito.
Hello po. Would you like to click ma'am? How about the answer? Okay, serve na kayong lahat. Sino bang hindi kumain? 1, 2, 3, tatlo lang.
Ikaw, hindi ka pa rin
Alright, we have here,
water lang.
we have water and Sprite and also Coke. And last please juice.
Water. With less ice. Less ice daw, isang perasong ice lang yun sila.
Tanong niyo mga katabi niyo ako nakapag-serve na lahat.
Tapos isabay po kami.
Nakapag-serve na ba
It's
siya?
just tapos na rin.
Sino sa serve kayo?
Tapos na po kami dito sa likod mo.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Enjoy your meal.
Sino yung wala pang drink?
Ako yung drink.
Enjoy your meal, ma'am. I'm done na po. Thank you. Wait lang, may nagpapasunod na ko ice cream.
Give for ano? Tray.
Nag-water ka lang yan. Namatay-matay na ako kakabun. Hindi ako mag-water.
Overtime.
Lang pala yung...
Hindi ko na iti-tray ah.
Di ba magkakaroon?
Use the tray please. Use the tray. Sorry.
Yung sa ano naman nun, yung sa training po, meron magkakaroon po kami na certificate.
Certificate. Hindi, flight attendant program.
Can I get it for training?
Kasi pero din ano siya talagang flight attendant training pero important, tsaka overview lang. Siyempre, pag naging FA na talaga kayo, mas in-depth yung discussions, pero magkakaroon na kayo ng focus. Ano ako mag-serve sa mga tayo? Sorry sa tayo pa.
Gagawin natin para sure. Pero na.